Welcome to the demo of Justdental Practice Management Software. Easy, efficient, and smart. How to log in? To log into the software, type justdental.in in Google Chrome browser from your device. From the main menu, select Doctor's Login. Use your unique user ID and password provided by Justdental to log into the software. Once you have successfully logged in, you land on the Appointments page. Here you get to see the appointments in your clinic for the day, week, and month. You can filter the appointments according to the date or the doctor. You can quickly search for patients here at the top bar. Patient registration. To register a new patient, click on Register Patient. Enter the patient's name, age or date of birth, and the mobile number. These three are the mandatory fields to be entered. All the rest of the fields are optional. Click on Register. You can now either start the consultation or book an appointment for future consultations with the patient. Consultation. Here you get to see the following modules: medical history, dental history, parameters, and past medical history. To start with, you can access medical history and click on the condition which the patient is aware and/or suspected. After completion of medical history, click on Dental Chart on the left. There are two dental charts, permanent and deciduous. In case of mixed dentition, you can use both the charts. Recording the findings is easy. Click on the tooth and enter your diagnosis on the right side. Most of the common diagnoses are already present. However, once you add a new diagnosis, the diagnosis is saved in the records and will appear the next time you type the first few letters. You can also upload any intraoral images that you might have taken prior to the treatment. Moving on to the treatment, the conditions that you have identified will appear automatically on the treatment page. You can write the details of the treatment performed or planned. Now let's see Notes. In the Notes page, you enter any special information that you have noticed during the course of the diagnosis or treatment. If you think entering all diagnosis or treatment etc. is time-consuming, you can also use the Record option. Through this, you can record your diagnosis, treatment etc. as an audio file. Next is Lab Test and Lab Orders. In the lab test, you can prescribe any specific lab test that the patient might need. In the lab orders, you can document the dental lab order that might be required. For example, patient requires a zirconium crown for 1/6. You can choose tooth, work type, shade, etc. Next, go to Consents. Before a surgery or any complicated treatment, it is advised that you get informed consent from the patient and upload it in the system. If you need a sample informed consent, write to us and we will send you a sample informed consent form. Moving to the treatment, you can enter the details of the prescription, add the frequency and number of days. This information can be printed or sent as a message to the patient. It will also be available in the patient mobile app. Moving to the billing, you can enter the details of the treatment performed and the associated costs. You can also capture the information of the amount paid and balance remaining. The summary page provides the complete details of the patient, which includes history, treatment, billing, etc. Here, you can also book a follow-up appointment after few days or weeks or months. Please note that it is important to click on Submit at the bottom of the page. Else, the data that is entered will not get saved. And finally, you can choose the appointment type from the drop-down list and click Finish. Now you have successfully completed the consultation. From here, you can either upload testimonial video or go to your appointment list. Communication tab. The Communication module helps you to send free customized messages to your patients as SMSs. The communication as an SMS keeps the communication formal and efficient. This is a great tool for engaging the patients and reminding them of treatments etc. in a consistent and efficient manner. Dashboard. The dashboard gives a high-level insight of your practice. It gives you the details of your earnings, outstanding balance to be received from patients, etc. It also gives you critical insights on trending treatments in your practice, which can give you useful pointers on the kinds of treatments that you're doing great and areas where you need to focus. This brings us to the end of the high-level overview of Justdental software. If you need further details and support, please write to us on enquire@justdental.in or call us on 8088882828.